Fool's Day. Let's talk about April Fool's Day. Using there is, there are, the verb to be, do, does, and a lot of common verbs. Let's ask and answer questions. Are you ready for April Fool's Day?
Yes, we are!
Is there a day called April Fool's Day in Britain?
Yes, there is!
Is there a day called El Día de los Inocentes in Spain?
Yes, there is!
What do people do on April Fool's Day?
Yes, they tell jokes and play pranks!
Are there drinks on April Fool's Day?
Yes, there are!
Do you like April Fool's Day?
Yes, I do!
No, I don't! Does your teacher like April Fool's Day?
Yes, he does!
No, he doesn't!
Yes, she does!
No, she doesn't! Are the jokes silly on April Fool's Day?
Yes, they are!
Does your mom wear a funny costume on April Fool's Day?
Yes, she does!
No, she doesn't! Is April Fool's Day a funny day?
Yes, it is!
Where do people celebrate April Fool's Day? They celebrate it in Britain.
When is April Fool's Day?
It is on April Red.
Are people happy on April Fool's Day? Yes, they are!
Do people laugh on April Fool's Day?
Yes, they do!
Use the verb to be to talk about April Fool's Day.
Tell me the verb to be. I am!
You are,
He is!
she is,
It is!
we are,
You are!
they are.
Let's make sentences!
I am funny on April Fool's Day. You are happy on April Fool's Day. My uncle is funny on April Fool's Day. My mom is in a joke shop on April Fool's Day. The joke is funny on April Fool's Day.
We are in school on April Fool's Day.
You are all with your family on April Fool's. The British people are happy on April Fool's Day.
Let's practice some verbs we can use to talk about April Fool's Day. To joke, to trick, to prank, to laugh, to surprise, to smile, to tell,
A joke story
to play,
to hide,
to find,
to make,
a joke,
to think, to believe,
to wear,
a costume,
to say.
to giggle.
Great!
Now let's talk about some vocabulary related to April Fool's Day. A joke, a trick, a prank, a laugh, some fun, a surprise, silly, a costume, a friend, a teacher, a classroom, a story, fake, fact, a giggle, a smile. When is April Fool's Day? It is on the 1st of April.
Yes, they are!
To April Fool's